Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint using your mobile phone. Alright, as you can see here, I have my application opened. So what we're going to do here basically is just tap on this presentation icon right here. Alright, tap on it. Alright, as you can see here, we are being shown templates right here where you can use or layouts. Alright, and styles. So if you want to, you can go ahead and choose the color palettes right here, or to make your life easier, you can just go ahead and select from the templates from here. All right. Now, if you want to look for specific templates, like for example here, so let's go ahead and try to have a business template, business presentation. All right, right here, just go ahead and click on this one right here, and you will be shown some business presentation templates right here. Let's say, for example, we're going to want to use this one right here, the business plan presentation. And as you can see here, it is for pro version only. So let's go ahead and look for free. Hit enter. And here are some free business presentations. Like here, for example, I'm going to use this one. All right. And simply hit on apply all 13 pages. And wait for the app to load. As you can see here, here are the slides. So if you want to edit it, just go ahead and tap on the slide where you want to edit and tap on each word. For example, if you want to edit this one or presented by, just go ahead and click on this edit button right here. Tap and hold. All right, cut and type your name. For example, Ryan. Tap on a blank space. And that's basically it. All right. If you want to change the color, just go ahead and tap on the word. Just tap on the word. For example, this one, project, or the business one. Just go ahead and tap on it. Change the color to red or whatever you want. And also, you can change the font from here. All right. The text styles, font size, format, spacing, effects, animate, transparency, layers, and more. So what we're going to do, if you are ready to export this one, just go ahead and hit on this one right here, this download button, tap on that, save as, or directly present. All right. If you don't want to save it on your phone, just go ahead and hit on present right here to automatically present your PowerPoint. All right. For example, present. All right. And that's basically it. Again, to save it, save as, select the file type if you want to, PDF standard, PPTX, or Microsoft PowerPoint document. You can save this one as well as a Microsoft PowerPoint. All right. Once you're ready, just go ahead and hit on download right here and make sure that all pages are selected. Download. And it says here preparing, and wait for the process to finish. Share with, well, save on file manager. As you can see here, it has already been added to our file manager. Just go ahead and open it up, and it will be opened by your default PowerPoint format opener. All right. For example, the Microsoft PowerPoint, if you have it installed in your phone, if you have saved it as PDF, if you have PDF reader, it will automatically open up your PDF reader. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.